Hi guys, let's check out this Toyota Sienna. So this is a beautiful silver SE model built by BraunAbility. It's got many features, so let me point those out to you. It's in excellent shape overall. We'll pan over to see any imperfections, but we're hard pressed to find any. There might be a ding dent here and there, but overall the vehicle is in great shape. You've got a good set of petrol wheels here and tires. Come on back this way, let's show you all the features. You got me running around the car here. So we've got a tailgate that opens up here. It's an SC model, so it does have the power tailgate. Spare tires molded and integrated into the back here. We got a set of tie downs. This thing's ready to go. Okay, let me show you this one button magic opening system. So we make sure the car is unlocked, and then we press and hold for 3 seconds on the Toyota button on the side here. That ramp's going to open up for us. The vehicle also kneels down, so it reduces our ramp angle. Come on inside, let's check it out. Got these nice tall side rails since this is a bifold ramp. Black SE interior package here. I'm going to show you this even has the rare $7,000 option. Power transfer seat, 6-way. Wheelchair user can park their chair here. Transfer over into the driver's seat, close up the van with the key, and then we just move into position here. Fully driver capable. We got lots of headroom above us for drivers that aren't as short as me. I'll meet you back outside. And again, we just press that button one time, press and hold for 3 seconds, that thing will close right up. If you have any questions on any of our inventory, please give us a call. Otherwise, mobilityauto.com is where you'll find us.